Hi guys, this is your girl Fitness with Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're here so you won't miss a video with me. So on today's video, we are going to be taking down this hair that I said I was going to take down. But you know, braids is just so convenient, right? So I'm going to be taking it down and I'm going to be filming it. And as well as taking it down, I am going to be washing my hair and I'm going to show you guys all the natural products that I use. Also guys, I do have my cousin here with me to help take these down. Don't you just love cousins and loved ones and family and friends? Alright guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, let's get into taking down this hair because it's about to be a process, but we need to get this down because you see this? This don't make no sense. But it's okay, you know, because it's just okay. Alright guys, I am officially done with taking down this hair. Now I am about to go wash it. Yes, I'm so happy that it is down. You know, after you've been having braids for a long time, you can finally feel like just every part of your hair. Yep, that's me right now. Alright guys, I am about to show you what type of product that I am going to be using for the rest of the video. So the shampoo and conditioner I am going to be using is by Giovanni. It's for dry and damaged hair. My hair tends to get very dry and it sucks up a lot of moisture, so this is good for deep conditioning your hair. This is the shampoo right here. It's good for moisturizing your hair as well and getting it nice and clean. So we're going to be using that with the avocado and olive oil mixture. It is free of parabens and sulfates and organic, and so these are some very good natural products that you can use on your hair. And then I will be using some amplifying styling gel, which is by Giovanni. Also, I really love their products. Once again, it is organic. It doesn't have any of those extra chemicals. And also, this is just something else I use on my hair. This is by Giovanni again, and it's just a hair mist that makes your hair shine and just give it that extra, you know, little gloss added to it. You know, we all want that little gloss. Who all want that little gloss? Because I like the little gloss. You like the little gloss? I do too. Okay, and then we do have the Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner that I am going to be putting in my hair too. Like I said, my hair gets really dry and it loses moisture fast, so I have to have a lot of conditioner and, you know, oils in my hair. And then if I were going to blow dry out my hair, I would be using the Giovanni blowout styling mist. It helps protect your hair from heat damage, and it is all natural as well. I will be linking the products that I use down below so that you guys can see and try the products out if you would like them or not. But I am about to go wash my hair and then I will be back. Guys, my hair is all washed. Yeah, this is it right now. This is it. So I'm about to go in with some leave-in conditioner. Thank you, Aunt Jackie. You know, so we're gonna put a lot of that in there because I love conditioner. Okay, so I'm gonna put a lot of that in there. Like I said, my hair do stay dry, and I just took some braids down too, so I probably wasn't oiling my hair as much as I should be oiling it and stuff like that, but hey, it is what it is. It's okay. Alright guys, so I already sprayed it with the little heat protecting mist. This is such a good heat protecting mist for the blowout. It leaves your hair soft and not firm, because we all want to have that soft hair. We don't want no stiff hair. Who likes stiff hair? I don't like stiff hair. Even though my hair might look kind of stiff right now, but it's not stiff. It's shaking a little bit. Okay. All right, let's blow dry this hair out. This is about to be a process. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you like to blow dry your hair? Because I hate it. Ugh, Jesus, just thinking about it. It's a process. See me? Okay, so we about to do this little hairstyle real quick, real fast. We about to get it done. Yes, so this is my hair, blow dried out, you know, is how it is. And we're going to be doing a, you know, some braids, you know, with no hair added. Just your normal, regular hair. Okay, y'all, for real. I'm gonna be for real this time. So I'm gonna part it like right here. Oh no, I think I need to move my camera up some. Alright guys, is that better? Okay. I am going to part it like right here. Like that. Alright, so now we got our nice parts. And this is going to be right this way. This is going to be some hair that we guys, so now we got both sides spread. You know, we got our pieces out. Yep, and so we're just gonna take this up here. I know this part right there is coming down, but we're gonna fix that. And then we are going to take a bobby pin. Oops. So this is how it's gonna look with these two pieces right here. We're gonna come back to those later. Now we are about to do these edges and, you know, get that together. This is how the back is going to look. Just something quick and easy for you to do after you blow dry your hair and you don't have anything else to do. It's a quick little fix, you know. Still pretty, still natural. You still gonna be popping. All right, let's do these edges. Okay. So I am going to be using this. Yes, I know this is not all natural, but this is, I find that this one is the only one that works on my natural hair. If you have one that's without a lot of chemicals, please let me know down below in the comment section, because I would love to know. I would love to know what type of products y'all use on y'all hair. What conditioner, shampoo, leave-in conditioner, like what do y'all use on your hair for your natural hairstyles? Let me know. Okay, so alright guys, we got that side slick down right there. I don't know what I'm saying, Don't worry about it, okay? Don't worry about it, sweetheart. we gonna come back to these. Don't worry about it. We just trying to get this little natural hair slick, okay? So, I mean, use what you gotta use to get it slicked down, you know, because I'm gonna do what I gotta do. For real. I am going to do what I have to do, like. Yes, sweetheart. Yes, I will. Yeah, for real. Nah, but how y'all been doing? I'm just trying to get this going because, you know, sometimes, a lot of times my hair don't let me be great, so it is what it is. It is what it is. Like, do y'all hair be letting y'all be great? A lot of times mine don't. Oh gosh. You know, and if you know how to do edges better than me, then so be it. I'll do my edges to the best of my ability. Y'all probably can do it better than me, but hey, your girl did a pretty decent job, you know. I'm gonna turn around, you know. It is what it is, like, you know. That's pretty good. So now we are about to go ahead and do these little twirly pieces. All right. Alright, y'all, so these are the little cute little curls on this side. And then we are going to go in with some of our hair mix. Y'all, that is the end of my hair tutorial. Me trying to do my hair, me trying to do my natural hair. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I actually had some technical difficulties, but we got through it, and you know, it didn't turn out too bad. It did not turn out too bad, y'all. So like I said, this is a quick style that you guys can do at home. Use natural products. And I mean, just give it a go. Let me know how you guys liked it, because you know, like I said, it ain't that bad. It ain't that bad. I could walk out the house like boom, bow, bam. Like, you know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.